Hi, this is Jeremy Moskowitz, and in this video we're going to learn how to use PolicyPak Application Settings Manager to dictate some key settings for Microsoft Teams. So this is the default behavior of Teams, and a user could go out of their way to know how to make sure auto start is enabled. They could know to go to open an application in the background. They can know how to do these things, or you can dictate it for them. So what we'll do is let's go ahead and why don't we flip all the bits. So instead of this being on, we'll set it off, this instead of off being on, and so on. Okay, we'll go ahead and do that using PolicyPak Application Settings Manager. Now in order to do this, you can see that Teams is still running. So I'm going to make sure Teams is actually closed, okay? And now it's time we can go over to our management station here. So we're going to I've already got the Teams pack ready to go. I'm just sort of showing it in use. So I go to PPAM Teams. Okay, you can do this on the user or the computer side. I just happen to be doing this on the user side, but if you wanted to do it for a gaggle of computers, you could do that as well. So I'll go over here, go to user side. I'll go to Application Settings Manager here. Right click New Application, and there it is, Microsoft Teams. Again, I've already slid this in. This is coming from the central store. You can just double click it here, and now it's time to do the work you want to do. You can see the defaults are here on the screen, and we're going to flip every other one. So we're going to say we don't want to auto start. We do want to open the background. We don't want to unclose. We want to uncheck keep the application running. We do want to check GPU and hardware acceleration. We do want to register Teams as the chat app. We don't want to turn on new meetings and calling experiences, and we don't want to enable spell check. I don't know. Okay, so we're kind of inverting all these things. Okay, so let's go ahead and click OK. Now that we've done the items that we wanted to do here, let's go over back to our target machine. We'll run GP update. We'll go ahead and give this a second to catch up. Okay, now that we're done here, let's go ahead and rerun Teams. Okay, give this a second to catch up. And now it's time to go over as us here, and we'll go to settings, and there we go. We flipped all the bits. If we want to go ahead and reflip them on or off or whatever, but you can see that PolicyPak will do the things you want to do here. So, and we'll also keep it up to date. So for instance, let's go ahead and check all the checkboxes here. Okay, so let's check all the checkboxes. What's going to happen the next time PolicyPak does its magic? Well, let's go ahead and find out here. Okay. So nothing's happened yet. So in order for these settings to actually be refreshed, let's just go ahead and log off. I'm actually going to accelerate the log off and log on process with a little moving magic here. And now let's go ahead and run Teams. And we'll go back as us and go to settings, and boom. Set the way you wanted. You can see all the things you said are that you wanted set are set, and all the things that are not set are unset. So there you go. With that in mind, I hope PolicyPak helps you out with your Teams journey, and looking forward to helping you get started real soon. Thanks so much.